Welcome to Entopia, a vibrant nature-themed attraction on Penang Island in Malaysia. Originally known as the Penang Butterfly Farm, Entopia has evolved into a destination that offers much more than just butterflies. The name Entopia is a blend of entomology, the study of insects, and utopia, an imagined perfect place. This fusion reflects the attraction's mission to create an ideal environment where visitors can explore and appreciate the world of insects, particularly butterflies, within a harmonious natural setting. As you step into Entopia, you'll discover two main areas: Natureland, an indoor garden that simulates an outdoor environment, and The Cocoon, an indoor discovery center, which we'll delve into later. First, let's explore Natureland. Covered by a vast dome-like structure, Natureland creates a controlled environment, offering both protection and climate regulation. It's also home to various other creatures, including reptiles, insects, and small mammals. Entopia's journey began with David Go, a young teacher driven by a deep passion for butterflies. Inspired by the beauty and wonder of these delicate creatures, he set out to create a tropical butterfly farm as a unique tourist attraction in Penang. In 1986, this self-taught entomologist founded the world's first tropical butterfly and insect sanctuary, known as the Penang Butterfly Farm. Over the years, the Penang Butterfly Farm welcomed more than 5 million visitors from around the globe, becoming a cherished landmark and a source of pride for Penang. At the height of its success, the farm garnered numerous awards, solidifying its reputation as a premier destination. Here, we have a butterfly of the genus Idea. These Southeast Asian butterflies, known as tree nymphs or paper butterflies, are characterized by their slender bodies and large, papery white wings with striking black veins and markings. They are notable for their size and their heavy, somewhat clumsy flight. Their large wings and weak flight muscles make them vulnerable to even a gentle breeze, causing them to drift helplessly through the air like pieces of light paper. And here, a blue clipper, a species of fast-flying butterfly found in South and Southeast Asia, and with the scientific name Parthenos sylvia. Dom picks up a magpie crow, a butterfly with patterns on its upper wings that are strikingly different from those on its underwings. Next, let's explore some of the other fascinating creatures in Natureland. In this pond, we find alligator snapping turtles, among the heaviest living freshwater turtles in the world, that get their name from their incredibly powerful jaws and the distinctive ridges on their shells, which resemble the rough, ridged texture of an alligator's skin. Next, under a heat lamp, we find a green iguana in a setup designed to provide the warmth it needs. It also features a dewlap, a flap of skin beneath its throat, which it uses for display, communication, and temperature regulation. The next enclosure is home to a group of Muscovy ducks, known for their distinctive red facial markings and unique appearance. Native to Central and South America, these ducks are well adapted to a variety of environments, from forests to wetlands. Unlike most ducks, Muscovies are quiet, often making a soft hissing sound instead of quacking. They are also excellent foragers, feeding on a diverse diet of plants, insects, and small aquatic creatures. We can already hear the rushing sound of water as we approach one of the highlights of the Natureland section, David's Garden. This stunning waterfall, along with the pond at its base filled with water lilies and vibrant white to orange-red koi carp, attracts visitors eager to snap selfies. These fish, a domesticated and colorful form of the common carp, are known in Japanese as nishikago and hold the title of Japan's national fish. The bridge's balustrade doubles as a feeding spot for butterflies, adorned with vibrant red hibiscus flowers, the national flower of Malaysia. These blossoms attract various butterfly species, drawn to the nectar they offer. Butterflies can also taste with their feet. When a butterfly's foot touches a suitable food source, it triggers a reflex that uncoils its proboscis to feed. Female butterflies use this ability to identify the right host plants by puncturing the leaf to release its juices, then tasting the chemicals with their legs. If the chemical composition is suitable, she will lay her eggs on the plant. A woven garden arch supports a coral vine, scientifically known as Antigonon leptopus. This flowering creeper displays clusters of delicate pink flowers arranged in panicles and also provides nectar for butterflies. This striking butterfly is the 5-bar swordtail, also known as the green-black-striped giant jay. Dom beckons me to take a look. His spotted idea tree nymphs, also known as paper butterflies, laying their eggs on the leaves of a nearby plant. We observe how these female butterflies bend their abdomens to carefully deposit their offspring onto the plant. What appear to be tiny white seeds on the leaves are actually the butterfly's eggs, known as ova. There are several subspecies of Idea paper butterflies, and this one is Idea leucono. From here, we walk to Mystery Cave, the next intriguing attraction within Entopia's Natureland. It's designed to simulate a natural cave environment and serves as an interactive exhibit where visitors can explore and learn about various forest-dwelling creatures, such as the giant Asian toad, a widely distributed true toad found throughout Southeast Asia. The Malayan horned frog features prominent horn-like projections above its eyes and a leaf-like body shape that provides excellent camouflage among the forest floor and leaf litter. The Wrangler's pit viper is a venomous arboreal snake known for its hemotoxic venom. It spends much of its time in trees and shrubs. A display, designed as a gigantic spider, features windows that offer views into terrariums housing a variety of large spiders, including tarantulas, as well as some lizards. The Batik golden web spider is a large, hand-sized spider with females reaching about 3 centimeters in body length. They have black legs with yellow joints and a batik-patterned abdomen. This spider produces exceptionally strong and flexible silk, stronger than steel and able to stretch 140% of its length. Due to its properties, the silk is used in high-strength materials like ballistic fabrics. Because spiders are cannibalistic, their silk is harvested from genetically modified goats that produce silk proteins in their milk. Exiting Mystic Cave, we enter a rocky enclosure featuring a tranquil pond and a cascading waterfall, known as Tiger Falls. According to an informational sign, the waterfall is crucial for butterflies as it helps maintain air humidity and transforms waterborne waste into nutrients, fostering plant growth. This enhanced vegetation, in turn, creates a richer food source for butterflies. The oriental water dragon is a vibrant, semi-aquatic lizard native to Southeast Asia. Growing up to 1 meter, it is bright green with dark bands and thrives near rivers and streams. Its long tail aids in balance for climbing and swimming, allowing quick escapes into water. On top of their heads, they have a photosensitive pineal gland, or third eye, believed to help with thermoregulation and detecting aerial predators by sensing changes in light. Next, we step into the realm of the home tree, a majestic and iconic symbol of life, embodying the deep harmony found in Mother Nature. Here, we also find a water monitor, a large species of lizard native to South and Southeast Asia. These reptiles are semi-aquatic and often found near water bodies. Water monitors are among the largest lizards in the world, with some individuals reaching lengths of up to 3 meters. Through a tunnel, we enter the next enclosure. Its roof is an innovative structure that not only provides shelter but also allows natural light to filter through, enhancing the garden's vibrant atmosphere. Here, a tent houses the breeding site for soldier flies. Live educational displays illustrate their life cycle, from egg to larva to adult fly. Entopia collects organic food waste from nearby hotels and restaurants to feed the black soldier fly larvae and mealworms. These larvae and worms consume the food waste, converting it into insect waste. This waste is then transformed into biofertilizer, which enriches the soil and supports the health of the natural environment. This area also features the Dragon Path, an educational trail marked by a mural of a giant Komodo dragon. However, we first pause to observe the vibrant butterflies fluttering around, hoping to capture them on film. Southeast Asia is home to a stunning array of butterflies with vibrant colors and intricate patterns, reflecting its rich biodiversity. Its diverse habitats, from lush rainforests to mountainous terrains, support these butterflies' unique life cycles and behaviors. This striking butterfly is Raja Brooke's birdwing, named after Sir James Brooke, the first white Raja of Sarawak. Native to the rainforests of the Malay Peninsula, Borneo, and Sumatra, it is easily recognized by its vivid coloration. Males sport velvety black wings with bright, electric green bands. Its larvae feed on species of the Aristolochia pipevine plant, making the butterfly reliant on specific host plants within its habitat. Unfortunately, due to habitat loss, its population has become vulnerable in some regions. Here, another blue clipper. It is feeding on the nectar of Ixora coccinea, the yellow flame of the forest. And this is a male leopard lacewing. The roof covering this section of Natureland features a striking, spherical design that spans approximately 1,500 square meters. It is one of 2 arched roofs, the larger of the 2, with the other roof covering David's garden. Butterflies undergo a 4-stage life cycle: egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, chrysalis, and adult, with larvae often depending on specific host plants. These are butterfly chrysalises, the protective cases that surround butterfly pupae during metamorphosis. They vary in appearance and provide a secure environment for the transformation from caterpillar to adult butterfly. Butterflies are known for their brilliant colors and intricate patterns, which serve purposes ranging from camouflage to mating displays. Southeast Asia is home to families such as Nymphalidae, brush-footed butterflies, Papilionidae, swallowtails, and Pieridae, whites and yellows. The Julia longwing, Dryas aeolea moderata, originates from the Americas. It was introduced to Southeast Asia by the Phuket Butterfly Garden in Thailand. From there, it has rapidly expanded its range and is now found as far as the Malay Peninsula. Though identification in flight is challenging, the large black and yellow butterfly is either a common or golden birdwing. Next are some horseshoe crabs, ancient creatures found in shallow coastal waters and whose blue blood, used in medical research, detects bacterial endotoxins. Via the aroma trail, which begins as a trench-like path and gradually ascends to an elevated walkway, we exit Natureland. The trail is lined with lush vegetation and a variety of flowering plants, truly living up to its name. Escorted out by fluttering butterflies, we now proceed to the next zone of Entopia, the indoor area known as the cocoon. As we stroll along the aroma trail, we reflect on our experiences at Natureland so far while enjoying the unique vantage point that the elevated walkway provides of the garden's diverse flora. The expansive vivarium boasts over 200 species of flora and around 15,000 butterflies, representing approximately 50 different species of tropical butterflies. An escalator carries us to the first floor, guiding us through a corridor adorned with striking, large-scale macro shots of insects. Their giant, compound eyes appear to follow us as we ascend through the hall. A meandering tunnel, illuminated by the dim, purple-blue glow of a black light, leads us to a room described as Pandora Forest. As we step into this captivating and otherworldly space, we are immediately enveloped by an ethereal, dreamlike environment. The room, bathed in a soft, purple-blue glow from black lights, creates a surreal, otherworldly ambience. The darkness of the space is punctuated by vibrant splashes of color from bioluminescent plants and flowers, which seem to glow with an inner light.
Long ago, there lived a Ute, the beautiful firstborn daughter of an Apache shaman. Only two of the tribe's favorite warriors were considered worthy of her love. To determine who would be her husband, the warriors were sent to the battlefield. However, they were both killed in the war. Ute went to the battlefield to search for their bodies, but the grass and soil had already covered them. Pitying her, the Great Spirit made flowers bloom all over the land, each resembling a fallen warrior's shield. The Great Spirit also transformed Ute into a butterfly, so that a spirit could return every spring and continue to search among the flowers. This is how the first butterfly was born.
Interactive displays and artistic installations highlight the beauty of bioluminescence, showcasing how natural organisms can produce light, while the paths are winding and labyrinthine, encouraging exploration and discovery as you navigate through the glowing undergrowth. The Metamorphosis Hall highlights the extraordinary journey of butterflies through their various stages of transformation. Here, we are immersed in the butterfly life cycle, from tiny eggs and vibrant caterpillars to chrysalises and, finally, graceful adult butterflies. Featuring live displays, interactive exhibits, and educational panels, the hall offers a comprehensive view of this remarkable evolution. The Who's My Mama display highlights the intricate life cycle of butterflies, focusing on the stages from ova and caterpillars to the cocoon and their emergence as butterflies. It reveals how each stage corresponds to different butterfly species. The final room of this hall is dedicated to fascinating facts about butterflies, showcasing their unique behaviors like mud puddling, sun basking, feeding habits, and diet, among other intriguing details. Here, it is explained that although butterflies primarily feed on nectar, they also require minerals and salts. To obtain these, males often engage in puddling, gathering on wet soil, riverbanks, or even sweat, dung and carrion. During copulation, males transfer these minerals to females, enhancing the survival of their eggs. Females rarely engage in puddling. For butterflies, nectar from flowering plants, angiosperms, is a primary food source, providing the sugars they need for energy. However, nectar lacks certain essential nutrients, so butterflies must seek additional food sources to obtain vital minerals and salts for their survival. This display explains butterfly mimicry, a survival strategy in which one species evolves to imitate the appearance, behavior, or color patterns of another. This adaptation helps butterflies avoid predators, as some mimic toxic or unpalatable species, deceiving predators into thinking they are dangerous. There are two main types: Batesian mimicry, where a harmless butterfly imitates a toxic one, and Müllerian mimicry, where two toxic species mimic each other, reinforcing their shared warning signal. Through a gallery lined with glass displays showcasing vibrant butterfly species, each box dedicated to a single one, we arrive at the breeding ground, where we are greeted by a large paper kite caterpillar. This section offers a behind-the-scenes glimpse into butterfly farming, providing insights into the breeding process and their processing in a farm environment. The enormous caterpillar prop serves as more than just a visual centerpiece, it's a hub of information. Surrounding the caterpillar are several televisions, and smaller monitors are embedded within it, each displaying fascinating documentaries about butterfly breeding. Papilios of the World is a captivating exhibit that highlights the stunning diversity and beauty of butterflies from around the globe. Featuring an impressive collection of vibrant species, the display allows visitors to marvel at the striking colors and intricate patterns of some of the most visually stunning butterflies worldwide. There is also a section on moths, sometimes called the butterflies of the night, as they are often nocturnal. Adjacent is a fascinating exhibit dedicated to the world of insects. It features a diverse collection of specimens, including butterflies, beetles, and other arthropods, all elegantly displayed in frames with lighting and detailed labels. The sheer variety is truly mind-boggling. It amazes me how little we know about the myriad of insect species that exist. Consumed by our busy daily lives, we often overlook the incredible diversity of creatures around us. This exhibit invites us to pause and appreciate these hidden wonders that coexist with us. Though some may be considered creepy crawlers and others may be poisonous, the existence of these life forms in their own unique world commands respect and awe. Beetles, belonging to the order Coleoptera, the largest order in the animal kingdom, are the most diverse group of insects. They are characterized by their hard, protective forewings, called elytra, and membranous hindwings. Found in various habitats, from forests and grasslands to aquatic environments, beetles have diverse diets and ecological roles, including pollination, pest control, and decomposition. Next is another gallery featuring large, colorful macro photographs of various insects, highlighting their unique features in stunning detail. This gallery leads us to an escalator adorned with similar photos, taking us back to the ground floor where more exhibitions await. It is astonishing how creatures that appear monstrous at first sight can actually possess their own unique beauty. We are now back at ground level, known as downtown Entopia, where we enter the world of invertebrates. We navigate through the Cave of Evolution, a captivating grotto-like tunnel that offers a journey through the evolutionary history of insects, showcasing their development and diversity over time and highlighting their remarkable adaptations and milestones. In the first hall, we'll explore some of the invertebrates that dwell above ground. This room is dedicated to bees, exploring their fascinating lives, roles in ecosystems, and the crucial role they play in pollination. Hopper's Library is an exhibition dedicated to the fascinating world of grasshoppers, crickets, and katydids. These insects are renowned for their powerful hind legs, which allow them to jump and hop with remarkable efficiency. Katydids are closely related to grasshoppers and crickets and are renowned for their ability to blend into their surroundings. Katydids produce a characteristic sound by rubbing their wings together, a behavior known as stridulation, which is used for communication, particularly during mating. They are primarily nocturnal and feed on a variety of plant materials, contributing to their role as both herbivores and prey in their ecosystems. Hopper's Library also features stink bucks, including the man-faced buck. These insects are known for their distinctive markings on their backs, which can sometimes resemble a human face or facial features. Another room showcases a variety of bugs, including ladybugs and leaf insects. The leaf insect is a master of disguise, expertly mimicking the appearance of a leaf to evade predators. With its flattened, leaf-like body, intricate vein patterns, and color variations, it blends seamlessly into its surroundings. This area, named Underground Mysteries, simulates an underground environment, featuring interactive and engaging activities that let visitors explore and discover the creatures that inhabit this subterranean world. This cave-like setting offers insights into the daily lives of insects in their hidden habitat. Join us as we step into this mysterious realm and uncover their secrets. Here is a display of an enlarged scale model showcasing 3 rhino beetle grubs. In the center of this space is a giant rainworm prop, viewed from an underground perspective. This model highlights the rainworm's intricate details and its crucial role in soil aeration and nutrient cycling, offering a captivating glimpse into these often overlooked creatures. Water scorpions are large aquatic bugs from the family Nepidae. They have blackish, leaf-shaped or stick-like bodies and pincer-like front legs for capturing prey. Distinguished by long breathing tubes at the end of their abdomens, they are commonly found in ponds, stagnant water, and aquatic vegetation. From within a translucent plastic dome, visitors can get an up-close view of the habitat of Madagascar hissing cockroaches. These large cockroaches are known for their distinctive hissing sound, produced by forcing air through tiny holes in their abdomen. This creature is a whip scorpion, an arachnid with a distinctive appearance that includes long, whip-like appendages and a scorpion-like body. Unlike true scorpions, it lacks a venomous stinger and uses its long, segmented front legs to sense its environment and capture prey. Understory tail is the final hall of Entopia's indoor cocoon zone. Here, visitors are immersed in the vibrant rainforest understory, the layer of vegetation beneath the main canopy of the forest. This hall features diverse insects and creatures in a lush, interactive setting, highlighting the dynamic ecosystem beneath the forest canopy. Undoubtedly, the main attraction here for most visitors is the giant stick insect, also known as the giant walking stick or Phasmatodea. This large, impressive insect is renowned for its remarkable camouflage, closely resembling a twig or stick with its elongated, slender body segments and small, leaf-like protrusions that blend seamlessly into its surroundings. Its primary defense mechanism is its ability to remain motionless, mimicking a branch to avoid detection by predators. When camouflage isn't enough, some species have evolved the ability to release foul-smelling chemicals to deter predators, and others can secrete a liquid that temporarily blinds their foes. Giant stick insects are primarily nocturnal and herbivorous, feeding on a variety of plant materials. As the giant stick insect feeds, it uses its movable mouthparts, which resemble small, finger-like structures, to grasp and manipulate leaves or other plant material. And, last but not least, a female jungle nymph, the heaviest of all stick insects, with a broad, robust green body.